the winner is welcoming Sunne to the network of the future of Sweden.
Sunne is a small community. It's a municipality with some 5,000 households. It's situated in the county of Värmland, which is close to the Norwegian border in mid-Sweden. The project aims to replace the old legacy infrastructure with modern fibre and mobile solutions. I think it was the first area that I know of where we have done a full migration and really taken the copper out, and we can say that we're done. They're all on modern infrastructure. We ensure the mobile coverage with 4G, but most of the households are on fibre now, and they have a gigabit capacity. We had four parties funding this project. We had the Telia company as a private investor. We had the municipality that built some areas on their own. We had the EU funding, regional and agricultural funds, and we had the citizens that paid up to 2,000 euros to get a fibre connection to their home. We also looked into what could benefit from having this infrastructure, and then you realize that you have to get all the population using the digital services. So we launched this program that we call More Digital, targeting the seniors where we have the biggest gap. And we mixed the seniors with 12, 14-year-old kids. And then the kids guided the seniors through whatever they like to do. It was like the age gap wasn't there. Everybody had lots of fun.